So the first one, to decrease screen time. When I talk about screen time, it's not necessarily all together. It's more about what your child is watching. If your child is watching speed, high, loud, anime, movies, YouTube video, you should decrease that time, because when the child brain is stimulating more than what he can handle, it can become an issue, and then your child won't be able to sit. I see it in my classroom, often, that when children are always on the tablet, always watching, always having something in front of their eyes, and the thing that they're watching, it's with a lot of speed, a lot of actions. Then when we are in a calm or in a like slow mode, the child cannot function, because for him it's like, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's stop. And also, when you decrease that time, if you want your child to be entertained by technology, you can replace it by slow time, like the slow movie. It's not going to be much, for example, in 1 minute it's just going to be one picture, and the character might do one thing, but it's better.